Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jengkerta Samudra from 12 Multimedia 3. Today I will presentation about public service advertising service business proposal. Forward. Our praise and gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given His grace so that I can complete a business proposal for a public advertising service with the theme of maintaining mental health in the era of pandemic. I try with all my abilities and work as hard as possible to get good and useful results. In making this proposal, I encountered some difficulties, but thanks to the encouragement and help of all parties, I was finally able to complete the task of making the proposal. Finally, I say thank you. May Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala replying to good deeds to all parties who have given encouragement in making this proposal. Hopefully, this proposal can be useful for me and the readers. Chapter 1 Introduction Part 1 Background. At this time, the coronavirus pandemic not only threatens physical health, but also the mental health of every individual. Mental health disorders that occur during pandemic can be caused by various things, such as fears of the outbreaks, anxiety about daily life, and confusion due to hoax information on social media. I hope that by making this public service advertisement, it can provide an understanding of how to maintaining mental health in this pandemic era. Part 2 Objective is A. To educate the public to comply with the health protocols. B. To educate the public to implement positive activities during the pandemic. And C. To educate the public how important it is to take care of our mental health. Part 3 Benefits. The benefit is A. As a medium of delivery so that people follow government rules. And B as a teaching medium for the general public to live with positive activities. Chapter 2 About Product and SWOT Analysis. Part 1 Product Overview. This public service advertisement entitled Tips for Maintaining Mental Health in the Era of a Pandemic is 1 to 2 minutes long. This public service advertisement contains information on how to maintain mental health in the pandemic era. Part 2 SWOT analysis. 1. Strength. The strength is A. Produce quality videos, B. Use appropriate shooting techniques, and C. Choice of location according to your own wishes. 2. Weakness. The weakness is A. The tool for taking picture is a mobile phone with limited features, and B. Image resolution is not very good. 3. Opportunities. The opportunities is A. Lots of interest among teenagers. B. Very supportive with the pandemic atmosphere. And C. The concept is practical. 4. Threats. The threats is A. There are similar and more interesting service. And B. The theme use are more varied. Part 3 Uses. The uses is A. Educational materials for the public, especially people who have been infected with the coronavirus disease, and B. Adding the new insight and knowledge among the community. Part 4 Target. The target is this public advertisement is intended for all circles of society, especially people who are susceptible to disease. Chapter 3 Production Process. Part 1 The schedule. This is my estimate of the activity schedule. Number 1 Proposal made. The proposal made done in the first week of the March. Part number 2 and 3 make synopsis and create scenarios done in the first and second week of the March. Making a storyboard and preparing tools and materials. work on first week to the third week of the March. Production shot done in the second week of March to the first week of the April. And finally, video editing and finishing is done in the second week of the April. Part 2, Tools and Materials. The name is laptop. Specification processor Intel i5, memory RAM 4 GB, system type 64-bit, graphic card AMD Radeon. The model is Lenovo Yoga 510 with the mount is 1 unit. 2. Camera handphone. Specification Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Storage with about 128 GB, RAM 6 GB, Android 10, CPU Samsung Exynos 9810 2.7 GHz Core 8 1 unit. Printer specification Canon A410 1 unit. DVD specification DVD-R 1 unit. DVD cover paper specification DVD label 1 pack. Inject paper specification DVD cover 1 pack. DVD case spesifikasinya standar 1 unit. Operating system Windows 10 Pro 1 package. Digital imaging specification Adobe Photoshop 1 package. 2D animation specification Blender or Adobe After Effects 1 package. Digital audio specification Adobe Audition 1 package. Digital illustration specification Adobe Illustration 1 package. Digital video specification Adobe Premiere 1 package. And cover design with the specification Adobe Photoshop 1 package. Part 3, budget. This is the budget. Name of good laptop. Amount 1 unit. The price is 5 million rupiah. 2 handphone. Amount 1 unit. The price is 5,760,000 rupiah. 3 printer. Amount 1 unit. The price is 712,000 rupiah. DVD blank 1 piece. The price is 10,000 rupiah. DVD cover paper 1 pack. The price 20,000 rupiah. Inject paper 1 pack. The price is 20,000 rupiah. DVD case 1 piece. The price 10,000 rupiah. Software 1 package. The price 250,000 rupiah. Total cost is 11,812,000 rupiah. Part A, synopsis. Tells of the student who was depressed about the coronavirus which had taken place and wondered what activities should be done during the pandemic. Part 5, scenario. In scene 1 is the opening with duration 5 seconds. In scene 2, expressing expression of depression with duration 15 seconds. In scene 3, sleep well on the bed with duration 7 seconds. Scene 4 is doing positive activities with duration 28 seconds. Scene 5, exercising with duration 10 seconds. And the final scene, the outro with 17 seconds. Part 6, production. 1. Video shooting is done as video editing material using a laptop. The shooting location is at A. Highway, B. House, and C. Field. 2. Video editing, animation, and illustration. Video editing using software A. Adobe Premiere, B. Blender, and C. Adobe Photoshop. Part 7. Post-production. 1. Product testing. The finished product is test live. Does it still need to be fixed or not? If all the editing results have been considered good and worthy of to be used as promotional materials, then for the last stage is labeling and packaging are carried out. 2. DVD labeling and packaging. DVD-R labels and covers are made using digital imaging software, namely Photoshop. Chapter 4 Closing. In part 1 Conclusion. By opening public service advertising service, it really helps people to convey certain intention. The service will also have a lot of interest and will also open up a new job opportunities. Part 2 Suggestion. I hope the service provided may be useful. Although there are some shortcomings, please forgive. I also accept criticism and suggestions so that this activity runs smoothly. And that's it for me. From me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.